Hi, this is the first of a series of updates about the CPU project. So the first update is more about, again, I think I mentioned the arguments that software people get into, and one of the things that I noticed is that there was a thing called top-level entity.vhd, which I suggested we use, but then inside there is the entity name is actually called CPU. Okay, so as you can see here, the top-level entity, this is Visual Studio Code that I'm using to edit some of the code. And you can see here that it's crossed out, and that's because I've actually changed the name of the entity to be CPU. Or the file name for the entity to be CPU.vhd, because the entity name is CPU. The other thing I've done so far this morning, I haven't done much, but I've done a little bit, is I've taken the Mux 16 and I've just reformatted it a little bit. I'm tempted, actually, now that I look at it, to reformat it a little bit more, right, so that we get a little bit more consistency. I like having stuff line up. Just me. I don't like too many blank lines, although I would suggest, I think I took out the blank line between the entity and the architecture statement. But that's the way I would format something, so that it's, for me anyway, it's a bit easier to read. Okay, that's the first update. I'm going to probably do a few of these over the next couple of weeks. Have a look at them if you can, and I'll see you in the next one.